Here I'll show you how to update your footer menu in your Shopify store. So if you're familiar with updating your header menu, it's real similar. There's two aspects to it. One is the design and layout and adding new elements to the footer. And then the second is adding and creating new menus. So I'll show you how to edit the style and the layout of it first. To do so, once you log in to your website, you click in the sidebar and go to online store, and then we'll click edit theme. Once that opens up, we'll scroll all the way down and then we can click in the footer here. So the footer is an entire section, and then the section is made up of blocks. So we can see there's already a couple blocks in here. If we hover over it, we can edit those blocks. So here we could change these links. Looks like it's just some rich text with a heading, and the brand information. It's something built in by Shopify, so you can't edit that unless you edit the code. We can configure it a little bit. We don't want to choose or show certain icons. And then there's a menu in here. But if we want to switch out the menu, we can just click right here and then do edit. And then you can select, or this is for modifying that existing menu. If we wanted to swap it out, we just do replace, and then you can select another menu. Right now we just have one footer menu. It has search. So let's edit that. And you can change the links. Come into the admin and we'll go over to content and then menus. And then we'll click on footer menu. So you see here, there's only search, but let's click over here and we can add our home page, another menu, maybe collections, do hydrogen. Maybe we want a sub collection. You can just drag it under a menu item to make it a child. So let's add a second. And we're just doing test pages right now. In your actual store, you might nest this by collections that make sense. Like if you had a men's category and then you have t-shirts and jeans and accessories and whatnot. Let's save this menu now. And then let's create a second menu. We'll just call it second footer, and we'll just add something random. We come back into the customizer, which you can open that tab or just go back to the online store and then edit theme. Go all the way down. Let me zoom out a little bit. Click in the footer section, and then let's add a new block for our menu, or a new second menu. So we'll replace the second footer, which is just that one link, and then we can rearrange these items here. And also hide or delete items as well. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So that's how you update your footer menu, your nav links, as well as the layout and style of your menu in Shopify. If you have any questions, just comment. If you like this, like and subscribe. Thanks.